10 years ago, I was in the military. I'm a disabled vet. When I got out, I was trying to think of what to do, and I started looking into medical career fields. I found pharmacy tech, and that was the one that really spoke to me, and figured if I did that, I could get into the VA and help other vets as well. Even though you're learning everything, it's just really fast-paced, and you got to keep on it. Personnel here is always willing to help you, always ready to answer any questions. The equipment is brand new, and it's stuff that you would see in a retail or a hospital. It gives you a really good look on what you're going to be using in the career field. If you have no knowledge whatsoever, you're going to leave with quite a bit of information and tools on how to do the job. I would recommend this program. It's really intense. There's a lot that they got to learn. There's a big number of companies out there that are looking to hire, so there's lots of job opportunities.